This is what I believe in, mate, is that certain cultural narratives are promoted that are beneficial only to elites. These cultural narratives are not true. The only reality that is relevant is we have this planet. There are this many people on the planet. There are these resources. Any system that is in conflict with the even distribution of the resources to the people is a disingenuous and illusory system.
The win-lose games that we have built into our culture, in education, in health, in the legal system, in government, and in the economy, are based on the idea that there are winners and losers. The fact that there are winners and losers means that there's a certain segment of the population that is considered expendable, that is blamed for their own condition. And this blame the victim mentality, that is the dominant mentality that keeps the win-lose game in place, is ultimately responsible for the problems that we're having worldwide at the moment.
Het samenwerken, dat is echt hier het allerbelangrijkste. Dus dat je kijkt wie is waar bezig en waar moet ik met mijn willige tak, waar moet ik nu gaan vlechten.
Losing is a built-in part of the game itself. Now these win-lose games survive by keeping the loss, by keeping the fact that they're self-contradictory hidden. If we can make the contradictions within these systems visible, that creates a space in which we can innovate and change.
I am just a child.
People realize, hey, look, we need to change our systems of education. We need to change our legal systems or our governments.
Als het goed vast zit en alle takjes zijn in elkaar gevlochten, dan smeren we er aan de buitenkant ook leem tegenaan.